Hello everyone and welcome to Tablescape Tuesday. This is hosted every Tuesday by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. And today is freestyle, so I am choosing to do a black and white theme with these beautiful placemats that I got at the Dollar Tree with little butterflies on them. I had recently made a trip to the Dollar Tree. I had seen some beautiful dishes that Design with Emma had posted, and I thought they were beautiful. So I had gone to the Dollar Tree to purchase those. And when I was there, I seen these placemats and purchased those as well. So here are the black and white plate and salad plate that I recently purchased. Aren't they beautiful? So I got a setting of 4. And I think they look really nice on top of the placemat. Now remember, this is an open collaboration, and if you would like to participate, just hashtag Tablescape Tuesday 25 and let Anna know from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So far I think this is looking really pretty. Y'all have to let me know what you think of these beautiful black and white dishes from the Dollar Tree. Okay, now I'm going to add these beautiful glass wine goblets that I got at the Dollar General. And then here is also the matching cups to the place setting. So I'm going to add a wine glass and a coffee cup to each of the settings. Next is this cream color napkin with a black napkin ring and my knife and fork that I purchased from Amazon. I think they're very pretty. The napkin ring I've had for a long time, as I do the napkins. The napkins, I do believe I ordered those from Amazon as well. So here we go with the napkin and the tableware. Okay, next is the candles. I have a black candle holder with a white candle. So I have 2 of those, and there is my centerpiece. These are hydrangeas from my garden, and it's in a beautiful vase. But don't the hydrangeas look gorgeous? And I have it in a kind of a greenish blue vase with the glass pebbles in the bottom of it. The hydrangeas in the garden are just blooming gorgeously right now. So here's an overview of the table. Now be sure to check out the playlist and leave everyone a comment and a like. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I encourage you to do so. I appreciate it so much. And please leave a comment. Thank you all for watching. Bye-bye for now.